Hello everyone, this is Shadil Khan and today we are going to start colors. So moving on to our first slide. So our first word is black. So the word for black in Spanish is negro. This is Negro, negro. You can remember this word as negro. Negro means a negro man, we generally say. So negro man, that means a black man. So we can relate this with I put a picture of Will Smith here so that you can remember that the word for black is negro. So now here we have another word. Yellow is the word. You can relate this word from a jaundice. That means jaundice. When you have a jaundice, your face becomes yellow. So the word for yellow is jaune. No, sorry, the word is for French. So I put this here. So actually it's my mistake. So the word for yellow, that is amarillo. In Spanish it is amarillo. Sorry for this picture. So now moving on to this slide, we have the word green. So the word that should come into your mind when you are studying Spanish, that is vegetation. And from this, the vegetation is generally green. So from this, you can remember that veggie, that means like veg or something, that kind of thing, that is from the Greek root. So in green, that is verde, V-E-R-D-E, verde. That means green. That is related to vegetation. From this word, you can remember this. And vegetables is like verdura, V-E-R-D-U-R-A, verdura. So it is again with verd, that means green. The vegetables are generally green. So you can remember this word as verdura. Vegetables is green, verdura. So now here we have blue. The word for blue is azul. Now the word for sky blue is celesto. C-E-L-E-S-T-O, celesto. So when you look at the sky, you generally see like the celestial bodies or the heavenly bodies. From the celestial word, you can remember this as celesto. Celesto means sky, or you can say that it is a color, that is sky blue color. So now here we have white. The Spanish word for white is blanco, B-L-A-N-C-O, blanco. So you can relate this word with blank. If something is blank, that is white. So blanco. So pink. So here we have a rose. So the word for pink in Spanish, that is very much similar to rose, that is rosado. So from rose, you can easily remember the word rosado. Pink is rosado. So here we have another this thing. So the word for red is rojo. The word for red is rojo. Rojo. And for the word for lips is labio. So it is going to be very much easy for Urdu and Hindi speaker, because the word for lips is lab in Urdu and Hindi. So it is going to be lab. So now here we are going to translate this men in black. So black, we know that the word for black is negro, and for men it is hombre. And so we are going to translate this as men is hombre in negro. But this is the literal translation. But the Spanish people, they generally say hombre de negro. That means that the man in black, like man of black, they generally say. But the literal translation will be hombre in negro. So now here we are going to translate this, the black pearl. So this is from the famous movie Pirates of the Caribbean. So the black pearl, the word for pearl in Spanish is la perla, and for black it is negro. So perla is the feminine word because it is ending in a. So the article the, we will use la perla, and for black we are going to write negra, N-E-G, negra. From negro we have I changed the ending to a because this is the